In this video, I'm going to build sets from The Incredibles in LEGO. LEGO has produced some awesome Incredibles minifigures, but has only made sets from the second movie, aimed at kids.
Bruh.
For a moment, let us return to the wonderful age of 2004. The Incredibles was the first film that I ever saw in theaters. I don't know about you, but the first Incredibles movie shaped my childhood. I have wanted LEGO sets from that film for years. So today, I'm going to finally make my childhood dream a reality. First, I want to build a set of the Incredible family's house. A lot of memorable scenes happen here, so it makes sense to build it in LEGO. The main rooms I want to include are Mr. Incredible's man cave, the dining room, and the kitchen. This house has such a cool retro modern style to it that I really want to capture in LEGO. However, when I started looking at the layout of the house, I realized just how confusing the floor plan is. Eventually, I figured out that the living room is next to the man cave and across from the dining room, which means the front door is on this side, and the bedrooms are down this hallway, and the garage is all the way over here, and the stairs go up to who knows where. Like seriously, where do these stairs go? Anyway, I decided to take a bit of creative liberty with my layout and put the man cave right next to the dining room, which ended up making the set a better display and cleaner build. Once I had the layout figured out, I started building. Mr. Incredible's wall of newspapers and magazines was a must for this build. So I collected this printed tile from the official Mr. Incredible minifigure and a bunch of other tiles to put on the wall. I also built this plaque with a gold key and this one with a gun, which are both from the actual movie. Then I started building the desk and other details in the room, like the glass case that holds Mr. Incredible's suit.
Honey!
What?
Where's my super suit?
I built out the floor and the walls, filling the room with as many movie-accurate details as I could. I even studied the exact placement of items on the desk and recreated the same clutter in the build.
Corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture.
Now that the man cave is done, it's time to build the kitchen and dining room. These rooms have such a cool look to them, and I knew it would be tough recreating them in LEGO. The kitchen uses this weird spring green color, which I really don't have a lot of in my collection, but I made it work. The left wall of the dining room is this really cool stone texture, which I built using masonry bricks and jumper plates. Finally, I placed in Mr. Incredible's chocolate cake, and the set was done. Oh yeah, and I also built Mr. Incredible's car and a minifigure stand for the whole family. And boom, there we go. If this was a real set LEGO released, I would buy it no questions asked. I mean, look at this thing. Let's build another scene from the movie in LEGO.
Another one.
This time part of Syndrome's lair. I decided to build the conference room where Mr. Incredible and Mirage have their hot date. I built this pretty accurate custom minifigure of Mirage and the table that they sit at with all the grapes and other fruit. The next thing to focus on was the lava. I decided to pull from my inner master builder skills and make the lava split apart, just like in the movie. I spent like an hour trying to get this mechanism to work smoothly and reliably, and I finally got it, at the cost of a giant ugly base to cover up all of the mechanism. But check this out, isn't this so sick? And now I can put Syndrome walking through, or Mr. Incredible can use the statues to split apart the lava and hack into the computer. Finally, after building 2 epic sets from The Incredibles, my childhood wishes and dreams have come true. I spent so much time watching this movie over and over, and now I can relive those memories in LEGO forever. By the way, there are a lot of movies like this that LEGO has never made sets for, so let me know what other movies I should build in LEGO. Keep on building, and I'll see you in the next video.